I don't know. If it came to a point in your life that you could triple your income, triple your income with a lot more stress involved, is it worth the money that we chase? We're always out here chasing money. That's why we started this whole thing, was to make more money. But my question to myself is, how hard do I want to push myself going into my late 40s, 50s, and how big do I want this business to get? So... $21 tons of stone, 3 delivery trips, and 1 roll of fabric. Welcome back, everybody. Saturday, almost 11 o'clock, waiting on 8 tons of river rock for me to dump out and place solo. Hey, I already know sometimes I'll end up solo, so it's not really getting in my head too much. And Soulmate already offered her services for Sunday if I need help getting this accomplished. So I got the channel done last weekend. I got to do the other side that we started on last weekend, finish that up. And then around the house, I got 1 ton to put down. So I'm gonna start here while I wait for the dump truck to show up, and we'll just roll through the day. Hopefully I'll make it and put a good dent in the pile. That's my hopes. All right, so first ton's taken care of for the day. Show you where we put it. So we had a little bit of filling to do right here. And now all this is taken care of. Quick update, it's 12:40. The 8 tons of stone was late. It has not even shown up yet. So it looks like I'm going to be starting 8 tons of stone on Saturday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see how it goes. Just kind of bored to death. Really nothing to do without any stone to throw down. So I have been thinking a whole lot. I have this opportunity that it would be a life changer completely when it comes to income but more importantly and more effective on me would be complete change in my lifestyle. I wouldn't have that downtime, that kind of live at my own pace anymore. I would really be dedicating myself to a mission that would be 50 weeks out of 52 weeks out of a year. So, kind of been in that mindset for the last 3 or 4 days and contemplating how to go about the whole strategy of the possibilities that God's laid in my lap to look at. So, at any rate, I hope everybody else is doing good today, either out here making good money or spending time with your family and friends. And that being said, I'll probably be out here tomorrow with my soulmate. I don't know if I'll be able to do 8 tons of stone by myself today from 1 o'clock till 7. But I'm going to try my hardest. I got that. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. I got to finish up these stones. I guess my question and my dilemma right now, my question to you guys is, when is it the right time to grow your business to the point where it's going to totally change your lifestyle? It's a hard decision to make at age 45 because I've enjoyed being solo and small, with my family helping me for the last 10 years. It's really been enjoyable to be able to take it at my own pace. So, to jump into something huge and that much of a commitment, I have to have commitments from 4 or 5 other people. And in the past, I've learned that not many people follow through with their commitments that they make to you. Because most people in life are in it to win it for themselves. And I get it. Totally understand. So that being said, I don't know. If it came to a point in your life that you could triple your income, triple your income, with a lot more stress involved, is it worth the money that we chase? We're always out here chasing money. That's why we started this whole thing, was to make more money. But my question to myself is, how hard do I want to push myself going into my late 40s, 50s, and how big do I want this business to get? So, all right, he's here. What's going on, man? Hey, if possible, you can pull forward, back up, drop half the load on that cone, and then come out and drop the other half on that, if you can. However it weighs out, just do your best. Nah, just drop it right in front of the cone. It's fine, man. Just pull up to it, drop it on the cone if you want. Oh, man. Good right there. Well, the time said 46 minutes when I started filming me on that first pile. So, yeah, feeling a little bit more confident and to have food here that my soulmate packed for lunch. So, yeah, mentally doing good. Physically, hey man, still here, still working strong. So, we'll check back in. Gotta get a drink. Well, 3 o'clock, and as you see that pile back there, it went nice and smooth, just a little pace and rocked it out. So I'm pretty sure that the way we divided the dump up this morning was pretty much accurate, like almost perfect accurate. So pretty sure all that rock is gonna cover what I need, because the other side was perfect. So not everything's perfect, but that's how the rock's perfect. Hey, I'm gonna lay down some more stone, and I don't have any words of wisdom right now. My back hurts, and I'm a little bit mentally stressed. Not really, because I know in the end that between me, my soulmate, and the guidance of God, we'll make the right decisions on our steps into the future. Stay tuned. More rocks. It's 3:30. Just got done eating my lunch in the only shade that was close by, my truck. Thank you for my wonderful wife who makes the lunch, because I am way out here. There ain't no way I wanted to drive back into town. I do have my probably 4.5 tons of stone left to do. Then we'll see if I spread it today, or I bring her along out here with me tomorrow to spread it all out nice and neat. So we'll get some footage now. Had to charge the phone up, and yeah, we'll get on to it. Me and you, everybody else watching, let's do it. Well, it's 6:30. I got 7 of those tons laid down. Most of it spread out. Not a bad day for one guy that's exhausted. And second round of Starbucks. But yeah. I'll check back in because, like I said, tomorrow I'll bring my soulmate out. She'll help me finish up. Plus, we still have trees and some plants to plant in strategic locations on that drainage ditch. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know if it did or not. I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. But I'll try to do my best to edit something cool. Maybe take some time to talk. So, like I always say, be good if you can. Always love each other. No, it's not what I say, is it? Be good if you can. always be kind, and above all, love each other. Elite Landscape style. Peace.